Alright, today we are going to take a look on this website called screensdesign. As you can see, it helps to generate a bunch of screenshots for iOS app. I think it is pretty nice, so let's take a look. In the homepage, there are a bunch of apps with their screenshots, and they highly focus on the onboarding side of the app. We can also get into create screens with AI. This is one of the apps that I tried before. This is more like a travel planner app. And what I could do is to create a new project and say travel planner for Australia trip in February. And then click create and see what it comes out as the first onboarding screens. You can choose the number of steps in the onboarding. Let's stick with the default, and there could be the paywall variation here as well. And for the 4 pages, I can choose what I want to include. Let's say create journey, create urgency, features, problem solution, and there might be results. Oh, I can only include 3 because the 4th one would be the paywall. And let's click next. Then it would start generating. Exciting. Next, I can choose the design direction, and there are a few suggested here: Sunlit editorial planner, Zen journey, Aussie postcard scrapbook, and Outback navigator. Oh, there are a few more. Playful. So since this journey will be with the kids, so I will click this playful one and then generate. It will start generating like this. And now it seems to be ready. Let's take a look. Oh, getting in. Oops. I can zoom in if it is not that laggy. So let's say we can zoom like this. So dream trip minus the stress, curated by experts, customized by you. Very nice. Don't miss out Australian summer. Yay. Ready for takeoff? Of course. But before that, need to pay the money. Very interesting. So now I want to create more screens, and then I can click here. The app already generates a bunch of tests for us. Likely I will need those screens, and let's take a look on this one. A personalized dashboard displaying a countdown to the February departure, and I want to generate this. I can just click the try it here right away, and the app would generate that screen for you. You don't even need to type the prompt. What the? Meanwhile, we can take a look on this Canva. You can add song here. Like this. And then maybe this one is onboarding. Oh, there's a word thing here already. Create song. But then if I move the song around, okay, it would take that together. That's nice. And then I can also connect those screens together. Let's say if I want to click the next button to jump to the next one, I can tap on prototype, the arrow color, and then click here, and then point the arrow to the next screen like this. And then here to the next one, here to the next one, and then here to the next one. And now I can play the prototype. And you got an MVP. Next, and then this one. Oh, very nice. Let's take a look on this one, a newly generated screen. And but it's somehow because I want to take a look, not linking to the other screen, and also because they don't allow you to loop it back, but it's a little weird with this one. Okay, so now I can select, I can move it around, and then generate another one. Of course, I can still type the prompt myself and then generate it. It's just a shortcut for you. In screensdesign, you can export the image into Figma. The way to do it is by first selecting this and tap Share and Export. Copy to Figma, so it's confusing. There's no button here. In fact, that one, I believe, is here. So I need to select it and copy to Figma. It will take some time. Edge quite long. Let's copy to the clipboard. Allow. Okay, done. And now I can open up Figma. And then paste it here. So here you are. They are divided into layers, so you can choose the layer and modify as you want. However, the font may not be supported on my computer, so it can be confusing. Let's say like this, and then now I can edit it. Alright, let's come back here. The other screen is available. I want to select multiple screens. Okay, so now it is able to select multiple. But another confusing thing, click and drag the canvas to create a song. Can I undo? Not able to undo. How do I undo it? There's no way. So let's say I have a song dashboard. Can I drop it into the song? Oh, it's confusing. It cannot move into the song. So maybe I can only draw the song around them and then add them automatically like this. And now they are inside the song, and I can choose the song and move around the song. Alright, and what about this reorder canvas? Seems nothing happened. And the other thing is that the screens generated are close together. While someone might like it, I don't. It is a bit hard to find the independent screen and have a clear arrow between them to create the prototype. As you can see here, the arrow is gone. Oh, because you need to turn it on in order to show it. Yeah, so it's like too close together, not easy to read. But anyway, it is a really nice app to generate screenshots for iOS app, and I highly recommend trying it out. And you can also share your feedback to the team, and hopefully they can iterate this one even faster to become the best AI generated screenshots for your mobile apps. We'll talk again soon. Bye.